Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am here today with another dash cam video. This is a 4K from Jomise, I believe it's called. Of course, it's made in China, which I think most of them are. But this is a 4K dash cam, dual cam, front and rear. Kind of like the Black Views that I've reviewed, does front and rear, and see how it turns out. But we'll open this thing up first and see what's in the box. It's a very nice box. Magnetic shut there. Here, of course, is the dash cam itself. See, it says 4K UHD. Speakers on the front. There's an indicator light. And we turn it over here. There's a slot for the SD card. There is the mic and the audio video output. That's for the rear camera to plug into. And then over here, of course, we have a 3-inch screen, which is nice. It's a nice big screen to view. There's an up button, a down button, and a menu button right there. And then our power button is right here on the top. This is the connection for the magnetic mount. It clicks on with magnet, and then our contacts are right there. So in the box here, we have the goodies. Take this out, see what's down here. Here we have a looks like a manual and probably a screen protector to stick on the screen. You could probably make 3 or 4 of these out of it to protect the screen from touch. This says VV Car F2S, which same dash cam. Obviously, they may have a different couple names for it, but it does look like a fairly decent manual, and it is all in English, which is nice, so we can read it. One thing I don't think it comes with is a micro SD card supplied with it. I do like dash cams or any camera when they come with a micro SD card, but I didn't see one in this packaging, so obviously this one doesn't, which is fine. I have plenty. So we take this is a magnetic mount, and you can see the little contacts on right there where to make contact here. When we take, whoop, man, that's powerful. That's a stout magnet, which it needs to be. Take the 3M tape off, stick it to the windshield like this, and then it's adjustable up and down, of course. This is locked this way. This thing has a notch, and it locks in there, so every time you just move it, it's not going to just come off so easy that way. So we'll get that mounted on the windshield of the Jeep Gladiator. Here we have the lighter plug with a micro USB, which is nice. Micro USB is pretty compatible. It also has the lighter plug here, or power accessory plug, 12 volt. Then it has a 5 volt USB slot here, so when you plug this in, at least you can have this plugged in, still use your USB for charging your cell phone or whatever. So that's pretty handy to have that. And with this will be the rear camera. Looks like plenty of cable. Needs to be a long cable to reach all the way from the front of the vehicle to the rear. I'd say what this is you have a front setup here. With this long cable, you can run this to the rear. You plug this into the front. You put this on the rear windshield. And then you have this plug here you can unplug. And if you want to put this one in, plug it in, then you can actually put this on your front windshield, and it's not a long cable. You can have it aiming in toward the cab. So if you're a cab driver, Uber driver, or if you do like I do, I have the front mounted camera anyway, and you can see inside the cabin because I have a Jeep, and when you take the top off the Jeep, then it makes it kind of hard to see inside the Jeep if somebody's stealing something with the top off. And when you take the top off the Jeep, you lose your rear camera anyway. So I like the camera to go front and rear on the windshield. One facing out, one facing in. So this will be a 1080p camera, and this of course is 4K on the front. All right, some of the features is, this is 4K of course, but you can switch it to 2.5K if you want. As I said, the rear is 1920 by 1080p resolution. Of course, this, like all other dash cams, you can connect this via Wi-Fi to your iPhone or Android, just download the iOS app or the Android app and connect it to Wi-Fi, and then it allows you to download and save the video footage, incident snapshots directly to your smartphone. It has built-in GPS and automatically tracks your vehicle's location, driving route, speed, and other information of every journey. So pretty cool that it has GPS already built into it. You don't have to add that feature. You can put up to a 128 gigabyte SD card in it. It also has the G sensor, like a lot of dash cams do. It has a G sensor that will automatically lock up the scene and save and retain that evidence if you need it later. So say if you get into an accident or something, it will go ahead and save that video by the G sensor, and you won't lose it. So we need to go ahead and download the app for this so we can take a look at the app. Okay, the app that you would download is called Lucky Cam from the iOS App Store or the Amazon App Store, either one, depending on which device you have. Okay, to go ahead and plug this in so we get ready to turn it on. The plug is right here, which is on the mount that stays on your windshield, which is cool because you can actually leave this plugged in while you take your camera off your windshield if you need to. If you're going in the store or something, you don't want to leave it, you could actually just take it off, and this stays on your windshield. You don't have to unplug it every time, so that's pretty nice. Boot it up really fast here. Okay, so we need to turn this unit on. Then we'll take and go to the app here, Lucky Cam. Open it up, find my, I already went and clicked on my Woodzman guest internet, got that set up. So we need to go to Wi-Fi here. And the way you do it is push this button, push it again, jumps to the second menu, go down to Wi-Fi. Your enter button is your power button up top. Push that. We're on the on. Push that again, make sure it accepts it. Now it shows that we're on Wi-Fi. Right there shows Wi-Fi off, but it's not off, it's on. Okay, then we go to in here and we connect this F2S. That's the one you need. And I've already entered the password, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we're connected to it. So our app should come up, show the screen and the display. And then of course, it already shows that we're actually on 4K video. If you look at the top right, it doesn't show but the one camera right now because that's all we have connected. We don't have the rear connected yet. And then of course in here we can go to all of our settings like you would on any of them. I'm not going to go through the settings right now in this video. I just want to show that the app, how to connect it, and we'll stick this in the Jeep, and then we'll make some day and nighttime videos and see how good it looks on the 4K. Okay, we brought this Jeep Gladiator up to him so we can see what the video looks like. Full sun and 4K. So we'll see what this looks like, and then we'll bring it back after a while and see what it looks like in the dark. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Put a comment below to what you think of the video quality. I'll also put in the description below a link to my Amazon store where you can check these out. And please click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And we're going to have more dash cam reviews coming up shortly. Thank y'all for watching. Right on.